Around 240 million years ago, during the Cretaceous period, the Earth looked pretty different. It was a time when dinosaurs roamed freely and crocodiles coexisted alongside them. In fact, crocodiles are one of the only animals that are thought to have survived the asteroid that wiped out the dinosaur population. They survived the mass extinction and thrived for hundreds of millions of years to come. Therefore, it's safe to say, their history on Earth is a long and mysterious one. So today, Facts Verified presents 10 interesting facts you may not know about the carnivorous creature that is the crocodile. 1. Did you know that there are 23 different species of crocodile that live on this planet? However, Australia is home to just 2 species, the freshwater crocodile and also the estuarine crocodile. Despite their names, both of these species can live in fresh or salt water. Other species can be found in the tropics throughout Africa, Asia and the Americas. 2. Crocodiles are quite a versatile reptile, which means they can live in a variety of environments. Some of these may include lakes, rivers, freshwater bodies, salt water and brackish water. 3. Like most reptiles, crocodiles are cold-blooded animals and prefer to take up residence in tropical areas close to wetlands. They cannot generate heat on their own, therefore they go into a period of long sleep until the weather heats up again. 4. Although they have since been replaced by humans, crocodiles were once at the top of the food chain. Of course, we're talking a long time ago, approximately 100 million years ago, during the Mesozoic era. 5. The crocodile jaw is a thing of supreme power and force. Although the muscles in their jaw are quite weak and incredibly sensitive to touch, they have one of the strongest bites in the animal kingdom. 6. Perhaps one of the most fascinating facts about the crocodile species is in regard to their breeding. When a female crocodile lays eggs, the temperature of the nest where the eggs are laid actually determines the sex of the baby. If the temperature is less than 32 degrees Celsius, the baby crocodiles will be female, and if it's above the temperature, they will be male. 7. Ever heard the term crocodile tears? There's an age-old myth that crocodiles cry when devouring their prey. And while technically crocodiles have glands that can produce tears, it's not actually considered crying. Whilst eating, the crocodile swallows too much air, which impacts with the lacrimal gland and forces tears to flow. 8. Here's something that may surprise you. Crocodiles actually eat without chewing. Their jaw operates in such a way that it cannot move sideways, therefore they can't grind down on food in a traditional chewing motion. They will then swallow stones to help them digest and break down the food inside their stomach. 9. Speaking of food, the diet amongst crocodiles differs greatly depending on whether they are confined or not. In captivity, the large reptile will usually eat already killed animals such as mice, fish, rats, etc. However, crocodiles in the wild will usually go for crustaceans, frogs, birds, deer, etc. 10. Even though the colossal crocodile has been known to survive the dinosaur period and species-ending asteroids, contrary to popular opinion, they are not immortal. Most crocodile species have a lifespan of approximately 40 years. However, large species like the saltwater and Nile crocodile have been known to live up to 80 to 100 years. What did you find the most fascinating about these large aquatic creatures? Let us know in the comments section. Also, check out our other videos for more such interesting information.